Hi Pre-Prep, this is Miss Graham from the Misty Copeland classroom. I hope you all are well. I know that in Pre-Prep we've all been doing such a good job of collecting some recyclables. Have you been collecting some at home? Well, today I thought it might be fun to use the recyclables to make a shape collage. I was looking at all of my recyclables and I noticed that there was just so many different shapes, and I wanted to show you at home how I might make a shape collage out of all of the things that I've been collecting. So in my little bin right here, I have my collection of recyclables that I've started, and I'm noticing this little pull tab. It's kind of a circle shape. Has one big circle here, and then this one is kind of like an ovally circle shape. So I'm going to pull that one out. And then I know with my twist tie, I could twist it around to make a triangle. I know my triangle, it has 3 sides. So I'm going to bend it to have 3 sides. So I have 1, 2, 3. Now, I was looking for some other shapes as well, and I noticed that I had an old magazine lying around, so I just used some scissors very carefully, and I cut out an oval. I cut out another circle that goes around and around, and this one over here, I cut out, it's for nuts, but I was looking at it and it's supposed to be a square, but the way that the photo is, it looks more like a rhombus to me. Remember, a rhombus looks like it's almost a stretched out square a little bit. So I was looking for shapes in my magazines, and then I was also noticing that I had some cardboard to recycle. So I have this flap from a cardboard box. This is a rectangle, so it has 2 long sides, 2 short sides, and I was looking at my pasta box, and I thought that this was really interesting, how it has a window on it, and this is also a rectangle, so 2 long sides, 2 skinny sides, and then when I flipped it over, I noticed that the glue made another rectangle, so I thought that this one was pretty interesting too. So I'm going to tilt my camera down, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to arrange these on my table, on my paper, to make a collage. I'm going to use a glue stick. You can also use tape at home too. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to roll up my glue stick a bit. And I'm going to start with my big rectangle. I'm going to put glue on the back. And I kind of like that right there. Maybe I'll go ahead with my triangle and I'll put my triangle on top. This one's going to be a little trickier to glue. So I'm going to press that down. Now, let me look at this rhombus that I have. I'm going to put that right over here. I like the way that that goes right there. Remember, a collage, it's a piece of art, so you can make this any way you want. I'm going to put my circle, that one curve that goes around and around, I'm going to put that right over here, next to my rectangle, and next to my rhombus. Now my oval, remember that's kind of like a stretched out circle. I'm going to put that one up over here. I have my cool rectangles. So I don't have space to fit it all by itself, but maybe I can put it a little bit over my circle and a little bit over my rhombus. And I'm going to put that just like that. And then lastly, I have my little pull tab from my milk carton. So I'm going to put some glue on that and see if I can get it to stick over here. Now, the last thing that you can do when you have your shape collage is go ahead, take a marker or something to write with. Make sure you write your name. So I'm going to write my name down here so I know who made this. And what you can also do is go ahead and you can start to label all of the shapes you have. So this right here, it's a circle. So I might write the word circle. This I had a rhombus. This was a rectangle inside of a rectangle. This was my oval. This was my triangle. And this is my rectangle. I have one more circle right here, so I'm going to write circle one more time. And, my friends, this is how you can make a shape collage, finding all different shapes out of the materials you have at home and being able to glue them to make a piece of art. So, I hope you have fun at home making your very own shape collage. I can't wait to see them on our Google Classroom. Enjoy!